Hey, how we doing, everybody? OPD here. Another beautiful day in the Cheese and Moon Workshop. Went out shopping today. Yard sales, flea markets. Not much going on in the Orlando area today. The only thing I found was this little Barlow. When I say Barlow, I'm talking about this little Barlow tape measure. This one here, a little sluggish on the return when it gets to about that far. And pull it all the way out and it kind of wants to go back. So I think over the years it's been kind of abused a little bit, but I think I can tune it up. But I like to pick these little things up. They're kind of handy, and I have half a dozen or so. They're kind of cool. A couple recent acquisitions that I'm going to show. I picked up a couple of those Walmart knives. I have one of the original orange knives, though it's no longer orange. It's kind of a brown color now. But I mean, they're $10. This is the new improved with the pocket clip can go on either side. You know, some people think they're trash, but I've had pretty good experience with mine. And they were having a sale on these. They were like $6 each right there at Christmas time. So I picked up, 4 or 5 of them. They're just handy to have around. Also picked up this one here, which is like the button lock version. This was a little bit more. I think this was $15. But still a pretty neat little knife. It's just plastic, but they made it, textured it to look like micarta, which is kind of neat. Little lanyard hole back here. Decent little knife. A couple weeks ago maybe, Knife Doctor was showing his comparison between his Benchmade Bug Out and a Kershaw Belair Magnacut. His was green with brown or whatever. Well, here's my acquisition. I was talking with someone saying that this was as close as I was going to get to a Bug Out or a Belair. And I had my older knife, which is out in the front room. And he gave me a tip on this one. And so now I'm a proud owner of a Kershaw Belair Magnacut, black on black. Absolutely love it. See this? Almost got me. Because believe it or not, it's not as smooth as that Walmart knife. I don't have as much control over it yet because I've been flicking that Walmart knife for almost 3 years now, and this one I just got my hands on, but I absolutely love it. It's very sharp, as you would expect from a new knife. And this knife that I've been toting, that I sort of did a little review on it a week or so ago. This little Schrade lockback plastic handle knife. I did clean up the blade a little bit, and when I say clean up, I sharpened it, and that joker is razor sharp, and I towed it every day, and I got schmutz on it because I was cutting some food earlier at lunch. But that's turned out to be a sweet little knife, very lightweight. But there you go. Real quick, and give a shout out. I did a sticker swap with this fella here out of Texas. I'm sorry, his card is right here somewhere. His name is Jim. I can't remember the last name. Jim Chambers. He had sent me 2 stickers, and the envelope got put up with my envelopes that I send out. the same type thank you cards, and I didn't realize that it had been put up there. Said I never got it, so he resent. So now I'm the proud owner of 4 of these stickers, and his YouTube channel is on here. I'll put it in the description on this video. But thank you, Jim. I appreciate it. Again, my fault. The stickers and the card was here. It just got put in with mine that I usually send out, and it got missed, but I have it. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, sir. And I got to get that one put up on my board, and the J Relics that he sent me, I need to get that up on my display here. But that was it. Down and dirty. The new Belair. I'm absolutely digging it. I have a Magnacut Kershaw, but that's the Kershaw Leak Mint Chocolate Chip. Discontinued. It runs about $300, so that just stays over there on the display. But this one here gets carried and has been getting used. This is a little stiff compared to what I'm used to. But I think it's a stronger, better quality spring, I'm sure. It's just going to take a little bit of getting used to. But absolutely love it. There you go, guys. Until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. But above all, have a beautiful day.